Hey, what's up everybody? It's your man Terrence McClan, aka T-Rock. And welcome back to my channel, T-Rock Fitness. And in today's video, this is going to be a quick bodyweight calisthenic tutorial. For those that's looking to try out calisthenics for the first time, I'm going to give you 3 functional bodyweight movements. One will be a squat, a push, and a pull. You're going to do squat, push-up, and pull-ups. The goal for this is to choose the number of reps that you think you can handle. So if you're only able to do 1 rep, then do 1 rep at a time. If you're able to do 2 or more, then that's the number that you got to stick with. So for example, if you choose to use 3 as your reps, you got to do 3 squats, followed by 3 push-ups, and then 3 pull-ups. Now let me make this clear. Depending on your fitness level, do the number of reps that you can think that you know you're gonna be able to handle. Because I want you to complete this for like maybe 5 rounds. Now for those who are only able to do 1 push-up, 1 squat, 1 pull-up, I would recommend try to do 10 rounds of this. And only doing 1 rep, do 10 rounds. But the goal is to choose a high number of reps. And again, depending on your fitness level, how strong you are, if you gotta start somewhere, you gotta start at 1, so start at 1. I will be doing today's video, I'll be doing 10 reps of each. So it'll be 10 squats, followed by 10 push-ups, and then 10 pull-ups. Now again, a pull-up can be full lock, or however far you can pull up your body weight, that is still considered a push, a pull-up. Let me give you a demonstration. As you can see there in that demonstration, those are 3 pull-ups. The first one, I fully locked out, I'm gonna turn over the ball. The second one was a pull-up where I just attempted to pull whatever I could. And the third one is probably halfway. So don't get discouraged. Once you build up your strength, your endurance, also remember, the key to fitness is starting in your kitchen. Make sure your diet, what you eat is clean. Get rid of the junk food. You know what that includes. Oreos, chips, any junk food that's sold in these stores with all that high fructose corn syrup sugar in it. Salt, eliminate that from your diet. To get stronger and better at any exercise, it starts in your kitchen. You gotta eat healthier. That includes meat. Like you see right here, I got a little fat around my gut that I'm trying to get rid of, so trust me, I'm like you. For those who are struggling to get that belly fat off, you gotta start in the kitchen. So without further ado, as you can see in my background, today I'm using the field goal bar as my pull-up. You can use any traditional pull-up bar that's in the parks, in the gyms. But I just like to be out here in seclusion, at peace. You see I got the grass in the background. I'll be doing my push-up on the grass. All my movements will be right here on this grass. This will be my pull-up bar. So let me demonstrate. Again, I'm doing 10 reps each. Make sure you choose a rep that you can handle. You can start as low as 1, work your way up to 10. For those that's more advanced, you can even do more reps. All right, I'm gonna start with my 10 reps. The first rep is the squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. Next exercise is going to be a push-up. I'll put my gloves on. Go back a little bit. Now push it. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, that's 10 push-ups. Pull up off. Pull-ups, go. technical difficulty. It's a little windy out here. I'm about to start over. Kind of windy today, so the tripod just got blown over. Let's see if Mother Nature be nice. Go. Right there, you got 10 squats, I gave you 10 push-ups, followed by 10 pull-ups. Now this would be, I would probably do this for like 5 rounds. After each set, that's called a set. So you push up, you squat, you push up, and you pull up. That's 3 exercises. You complete that, that's a set. Complete each set, do 5 rounds of those. Again, you're only doing 1 each. Try to push yourself to do like 6, 7 rounds until you build up your strength. You're able to do more, then you do more sets. For example, if you did 10 to 15 reps, try to do like 5 rounds.
Right on the menu, like
muscle, power, endurance, flexibility. And remember, calisthenics attacks multiple muscles in one movement. For example, the push-ups, you work with your pectoral muscles, shoulders, engage your core, the triceps, with the pull-ups, you work with the back muscles, the lats, the biceps. And once you become more advanced, you do stuff like this. Once you get the hang of the stuff, and the regular stuff gets too easy, you try to do L6. Take that core, reach-ups, core muscles, right? Again, it's all about taking the right steps. Start with the foundational movements, do the basics, squats, push-ups, pull-ups. After you become more advanced, you throw some dips in there. Do one-legged squats. I'm still trying to learn those. Make sure you get a jump rope. You can do variations of push-ups. Start getting freaky with them. Make your push-ups more difficult. Pops. Push cross. Yeah. Push up plates. Alright. Thank you for joining my tutorial. Catch you in the next video. Incorporate this into your workout. Get started. Stay consistent. Eat right, make sure you're stretching post, pre and post workout, and stay consistent, man. Get outside, you got a neighborhood track, walk around your track and field, jog, and do your thing. Catch you in the next video. Like, subscribe, share, hit me up in the comments, and let me know what type of video you want next. Until the next one, signing off. Your boy T-Rock.